All right, we have the Supre camping gear, which comes with a compact pocket chainsaw and fire starter kit. Right here, you can see we have this nice long saw that you can pick up with both ends right here that go in your hands. And I can actually, kind of make it smaller how it goes up like this, because this actually fits into this little carrying case right here, so you can carry it with you easily. Now here is your fire starter, and that also can be clipped together very easily, and it can go in there as well. This right here says, attention, read first, and it gives you your basic instructions about safety, how to use your fire starter. I believe it has magnesium. Yeah, it has magnesium in it. And you go ahead and strike the magnesium, and that's how you use that. So with your pocket chainsaw and your fire starter kit, you have some basic survival gear. You probably need more than that if you're gonna go out and be an avid person that is camping. Those are two good things to add to your survival gear. You can click on the link below to find them on Amazon if you would like to have them. Again, this is the company, and click on the link below. Like, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and come back and check out some more videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.